Alright, we are about to interview Isaac Vieira. He lives somewhere in the city. Here he is. That was Haley, whatever her name is, and that's my sister. Alright, his name is Isaac Vieira, like I told you before. Isaac, what is your favorite movie?
Detroit Rock City.
What is your favorite band?
Slipknot.
If you were in a band, what would you name it?
Dead Army.
Is that a real band that you are in?
Yes.
That is Isaac's brother.
Because we're gonna eat it.
That's funny.
Alright. Give me a link down over there. About
what?
How's your life?
You can't put a link in there.
Yes, you can.
No, you can't. The only person who could do it is you.
What?
Yeah, that's true.
Alright, write a comment down over there, right? And yeah, see how's life. Peace.
Isaac.